Hi everyone, Amanda here, and I just wanted to do a quick sneak peek of our new core catalog that's coming out on September 1st. On September 1st, I will come back in and add a description to this YouTube video that will give you a direct link to the catalog so that you can flip through it at your own leisure and your own pace. But for right now, this is just a quick glimpse at what's goodies are to come. This talks about if you want to be a maker or be a VIP member. And also these are the workshop kits that you can be subscribed to, workshops for scrapbooking or for card making. And then our amazing how-to programs, gotta love all of those. And then the Melissa lettering thing. Oh, our first new paper pack, As You Grow, gotta love that. And it's for kind of a baby theme. It has some mushrooms and butterflies and foxes and turtles and a whole bunch of floral things. And then we have Smarty Pants, perfect school, regardless the age, books for college, globes for college, all the way down to scissors and glue for elementary kids. Now, Close to My Heart came out with something awesome in Love Story. There's actually 3 different color combos, so you can have black and white, gray and white, or toffee and white. And then when you add whatever colors are your special day colors, you have the perfect combination for your album pages. They've kept the wood grains, yay, and they've added this texture paper. So you have bricks and like jean material. Noteworthy is a great background for anything. And then just like the love papers, they have a rose and gold or rose gold set. So I can't go wrong. And here we have all the stamp sets. Now keep in mind that any of the stamp sets that you see with the white outline, those have a thin cut that coordinate with them. Oh my gosh, that makes crafting so much easier. I hate fusty cutting, and so thin cuts are amazing. You have gnomes, you have foxes, you have borders, and they all have thin cuts. I see these macarons, and I have to tell you, I'm so excited for the Twisted Sister hop that's coming up starting September 1st, because there's a whole bunch of makers from around the globe that are taking some of these new products that you're seeing right here, and they are doing phenomenal things that just blow your mind. You will not look at the stamp set the same again. I just love all the versatility. So many stamps and borders, and oh my gosh, the alphabets are just amazing. Look at the variety there. As I said before, I love these Melissa pens. They make anybody's penmanship or writing look better. And now the dies, you can do backpacks and waterfall cards, and you can do spinner cards and bows, and there's leaves and florals, and then there's thin cuts for slimline cards, plus regular cards, plus just stitched borders and squares and rectangles, and oh my. And then I love the embossing folder with all the florals in it. And who doesn't like a good glitter paper? Here's our our calendar kit, and now we get into bling. And there's so much new bling, acrylic shapes and buttons and wooden shapes and in blacks and whites and the browns of the wood, and all of our markers are the same. And they've now put together bundles so that you can buy things as a bundle instead of each individual item. You can still buy the individual items, but it's just made it easier. Stencils for both card fronts and scrapbooks. Yay, gotta love that. And then you just have your tools, and they've added a few different sizes of blocks. They've added some amazing tools that are in the upper right corner. All the adhesives that you could want, and who doesn't love the Workspace Wonder album? Just so much. It is just amazing to go through all this. You have the plastic totes, you have your SVG files. Our albums are amazing. I especially like the labels for the outside of the albums. You know just what's in there. You have all the different page protector options, whether it's a full 12 by 12 or you need to add a page or add some photos in. Yay, Wildberry is the color of the year. We have all new color. We have 8 new colors this year, including the color of the year. So there's Harbor and Rosemary and Capri and Mulberry and just a whole bunch of them up here. I mean, papaya, you just gotta love it. And then, of course, the very last page is always the Operation Smile stamp, and that's always a good value, and it goes towards a great cause. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join Crafting with Amanda community. Here's another video that you may be interested in, and if you haven't seen it yet, I also have done a walkthrough of the September-October catalog. Have a blessed day.